Check. Yes. So now I take the opportunity of inviting our respected headmistress ma'am, Mrs. Meenakshi Koshu ma'am, to highlight the efforts put by teachers and children and the achievements of school by presenting our school report.
Thank you, Nisha. Good morning, everyone who gathered over here. On behalf of the school management, principal and staff of Shri Vashish Vidyalaya, I warmly welcome you to Udbhavam, an annual day program presented by grade 2 students. With great pleasure, I present a summary of our activities and accomplishments in the 2022-23 academic year, while also charting a course for future achievements. Since its establishment in 2006, Shri Vashish Vidyalaya has been nurturing our students for 18 years, evolving from an initial enrollment of around 395 students in 2006 to a current enrollment to 4,639 students. Our founder and chairman, Shri Ramnik Bhai Davaria, envisions a dynamic learning environment that brings out the best in each student. To assure the quality of education, our competent directors, Shri Vijay Bhai Davaria and Shri Ravi Bhai Davaria, leaves no stone unturned to cater the needs of the children and the staff. Under the guidance of our dedicated advisor, Dr. A.K. Gaur, the school has been focused on creating a well-rounded educational experience. His exceptional contribution was recognized with the National Award presented by President of India, Srimati Pratibha Devi Singh Patel in 2010, and the Guru Drona Award from SRM University in 2018. He also participated in the World Education Leadership Symposium Wales at the University of Education, Switzerland, where valuable knowledge exchanges took place among the representatives from 52 countries. A passionate and dedicated educator and team leader, our principal, Mrs. Shubhra Srivastava, is establishing a dynamic and accomplished team of dedicated professionals. Her effort aims to foster the holistic development of children, ensuring they grow into well-rounded individuals with a strong sense of well-being. Now let's review the significant achievement of the school in the previous academic year. SVV students continue to achieve grand success in CBSE board results for classes 10th and 12th, boasting a 100% pass rate and affirming our supremacy in providing quality education. SVV's Vashish JEE NEET Academy has yielded remarkable results. A number of our students have successfully cleared the JEE Advanced and NEET exam and secured impressive admission to esteemed institutions such as IITs and NITs and various prestigious medical colleges throughout the nation. Students are mentored in a supportive environment to engage in diverse co-curricular activities such as swimming, skating, yoga, aerobics, taekwondo, dance and music. This fosters confidence, knowledge and overall development among the students. Inter-house events play a vital role in school life, fostering healthy competition and school spirit. Students engage in diverse competitions like chart displays, projects, collages, singing, dancing, recitation and many more. The versatile Vashishtans excelled in inter-school competition across Delhi, Chennai and various other places, bringing honor to our school with exceptional achievements. We are incredibly proud to share that Shri Vashish Vidyalaya emerged as the undisputed champion at the prestigious Sangvi Kantilal Doshi Annual Cultural Fest, Parampara 2023, organized by GT Vidya Mandir, Chennai. Our school clinched the first position in a staggering 9 out of 10 events and second position in the only remaining category. Encouraging students to see learning as fun is crucial. In the pre-primary wing, students engage in festive events like Republic Day, Independence Day, Janmashtami, Sports Day, Guru Purnima, etc., making school a delightful and enchanting place for these young minds. On 25th February 2023, the school celebrated graduation day to honor the achievements of the eager young students from senior KG who progressed from pre-primary to the primary section after an impressive performance in the session 2022-23. The primary wing held its prestigious investor ceremony with a great fervor and enthusiasm, marking a momentous occasion in the school's calendar. The event was separately conducted for Standard 1 to 3 on 25th July and for standard 4th and 5th on 26 July 2023. It was a grand affair witnessing the newly elected student council and prefects pledging to uphold the institution's honor and work diligently. Shri Vashish Vidyalaya earned the British Council International School Award ISA in 2015, showcasing their dedication to global education. They also became the first school in Gujarat to receive this award during 2018-21 for the second time. And the award was handed to our trustee Shri Ravi Bhai Tavaria during a grand ceremony in Bengaluru on 4th December 2018. Shri Vashish Vidyalaya excels in the Eco School International Program, receiving an honorable mention at the annual felicitation ceremony on 13th July this year. Actively engaged with Foundation of Environmental Education Denmark and Center for Environmental Education Ahmedabad, our school promotes environmental education and sustainable development. Our school has won 2 International Green Flag Awards in 2018 and 2022, highlighting our commitment to a greener future. Before I conclude, let me assure parents that even though our students are themselves engaged in various co-curricular activities, top priority is given to academic performance, which keep them busy throughout the year. With this, I conclude my report. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. The undivided support of each and every Vashishtian have always added feathers to the cap.
Absolutely correct. Wisdom comes from experience, and experience comes from hard work. And today, we are extremely delighted to gain wisdom from our eminent National Awardee Advisor, Dr. A.K. Gaur sir, whose hard work is reflected in the glorious growth of our institution. So I take the opportunity to invite respected sir to share his golden words with us.
Thank you. It was a good report, Mrs. Meenakshi, and I feel very happy that the students are doing wonderfully well under your dynamic leadership. Mrs. Srivastava, principal of the school, my dear young parents, आज का जो प्रोग्राम है उसका जो शीर्षक है उद्भवम, बिगनिंग, तो आज थोड़ा हम इस बिगनिंग को समझें। बिगनिंग मीन्स कि ये जो बच्चे हैं जो आपने जूनियर केजी नर्सरी से एडमिशन हुआ और अभी ये शुरुआत है और ये बिगनिंग चलेगा अभी 3, 4, 5 साल और बाद में जाकर के इनका जो फर्दर प्लेसमेंट्स होंगे, जो फर्दर आपके ड्रीम्स हैं कि हमको अपने बच्चे को ये बनाना है या बच्चे को जो भी बनना है, वो सब ड्रीम्स फुलफिल होंगे। मैं इसको दो एंगल से देखता हूँ कि अभी जो हमारे 12th के बच्चे हैं जो पास आउट होते हैं, जैसा भी आपने देखा 10th का रिज़ल्ट हमेशा 100% रहता है, 12th का 100% रहता है, 300 से ऊपर बच्चे रहते हैं, कोई बच्चा फेल नहीं होता है और सबके बहुत अच्छी जगह एडमिशन्स होते हैं। IITs में, डिफरेंट IITs में हर साल बच्चे जा रहे हैं, मेडिकल में जा रहे हैं, NDA में हैं, जितने डिफरेंट कॉमर्स कॉलेजेस हैं, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी है, जगह जगह, और अभी प्रोफेशंस में बच्चे आ गए हैं। और ये जो हमारे बिगनिंग वाले बच्चे हैं ये भी किसी से कम नहीं है। इनको भी जहाँ भी कहीं मौका मिलता है तो वो भी अपनी पूरी छाप वहाँ पर छोड़ते हैं। अभी जैसे ये एग्जाम्पल दिया कि जो चेन्नई में कंपटीशन था परंपरा, उसमें 10 कॉम्पिटिशन्स थे, चेन्नई में कॉम्पिटिशन्स हुआ और दिस वाज द प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द मैनी लार्ज नंबर ऑफ द स्कूल्स और वहाँ 10 में से 9 इवेंट्स में हमारे स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट आए। आपको नहीं लगता है आप ताली बजाने में कंजूसी कर रहे हैं? 10 में जो हमारे प्रिंसिपल पूछते हैं कि सर आप ये बच्चों को कैसे तैयार करते हैं, जब 10 में से 9 इवेंट्स में आपके बच्चे फर्स्ट आए तो हमको भी डाउट है लगा कि रिजल्ट में कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है, क्योंकि रिजल्ट डिफरेंट जजेस डिफरेंट इवेंट्स के लिए होते हैं। तो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू कि ये जो स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन हैं दे आर इन द स्टेज ऑफ द बिगिनिंग, दे आर इन द स्टेज ऑफ बीइंग नॉट बिकमिंग। बीइंग मीन्स कि अभी हमको इनको ग्रो करना है, इनको डेवलप करना है। ये 2+2 4 तो लाइफ में कभी भी सीख लेंगे, A फॉर एप्पल एंड B फॉर बनाना तो कभी भी सीख लेंगे, लेकिन वो जो ग्रोथ है, वो जो उनका ऑलराउंड होलिस्टिक ग्रोथ है, दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट। And that is what we say कि we insist on that the child should be going for a being, that वो क्या है